Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to clear or how to reset or how to delete the hostnames using hostnamectl command in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. So first let me open the terminal. So let me execute this hostnamectl command. You can see already static hostname and pretty hostname. Two hostnames are set here. So we are going to reset or clear these hostnames. So log in as a root user. So this is the command used to clear or reset the hostnames or delete the hostname. So hostnamectl set -hostname empty in empty quotes -- pretty. So this will clear the pretty hostname. So after executing this command, you can see that pretty hostname is got cleared. Okay. You can verify this by going to settings. You can see that static hostname is got set and pretty hostname is got deleted. Okay, this is the way we need to clear pretty hostname or delete the pretty hostname. Okay, now let me try to reset the static hostname. Let us see what is going to happen. Yes, you can see that static hostname is showing as not applicable. So transient hostname is showing as localhost, and cat/etc/hostname. Oh, you can see that hostname file is deleted. Okay, so be careful while clearing the static hostname. So if hostname file is deleted, means some drastic changes will be happening in your network. So make sure that your computer is not in network and your computer in standalone mode or in isolated mode. Okay, so a reboot also doesn't work. So again we need to put back the or set the hostname, static hostname. Then only that hostname file will be recovered. See now, after putting back the hostname, I can able to see entries in /etc/hostname. So after executing hostnamectl command, you can see static hostname is set. So restart the systemd and hostnamd services, and this is optional one. And once again I am repeating, don't reset or clear any static hostnames while computer in any network. Make sure that if you change any static hostname, your computer in isolated mode or in standalone mode.